Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. For this video, we recommend putting on an N95 mask because it's gonna get dusty, real dusty. Today we will be breaking down and cleaning an ancient PC. This 13-year-old build has the original motherboard, CPU, power supply, and HDDs. We will be showing you some major dust and the components that were used to build this computer in 2010. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos each week, all surrounding tech. The case is a Dark Fleet 85 full tower by Antec. This case was released in the summer of 2010. It came equipped with 3-door fans with red LEDs and washable filters to reduce dust within the system. As you can see, those filters were needed. Now, enjoy this dust fly. Opening the back of the case shows the great cable management done over a decade ago. Opening the front exposes the components and you guessed it, more dust. We first started by unplugging all connected components from the motherboard. First was the Samsung Evo 860 SSD, which was released in 2018. This housed the current operating system, Windows 10, but this computer started on Windows 7. Does everyone remember that classic? It has since been updated and worked through Windows 10. Unfortunately, this PC did not meet the spec requirements recommended by Microsoft for Windows 11. Next, we took out the graphics card. This is another component that was upgraded during this computer's lifetime. The original GPU within this build was a GTX 570 and that card lasted until 2017. The graphics card is a GeForce RTX 1050 Ti. This graphics card came out in October 2016 and has worked great the entire time. The RAM is 32 GB worth of DDR3 Corsair Vengeance Pro series. We couldn't find the exact release date for this RAM, but if interested, you can technically still buy it on Amazon. The power supply is a Corsair HX 850 watt, and we realized it is not completely modular. This must have not been a standard back in 2009 when it was released. Fun fact about this build. This is not the power supply originally used in the build. The first power supply was received broken. It was an Antec 750 and caused a loud boom when powering on the PC for the first time. Fortunately, none of the other pieces were affected. Next, we took out the motherboard. This motherboard is a Gigabyte Z68. The stock CPU fan has been in use for 13 years without fail. Impressive. Taking off the fan, you can see the old thermal paste and unveils the CPU. The CPU is an Intel i5 650, maybe. The name of the CPU is not visible anymore, but based on our research, this was released around the time of the build. A Seagate 4TB HDD was used as the main storage for this PC. They weren't easy to get to, but this build also had a regular disc and Blu-ray disc slot. They were pretty dusty, and now obsolete. Another 1.5 terabytes of Seagate HDD storage was in the PC as well. This computer has worked hard over the past 13 years. It was used for schooling, programming, gaming, and much more. Only a few of the original components were ever upgraded and replaced. Although it's sad to say goodbye, it's time to upgrade to a newer, faster PC. Do you have an ancient build? Comment your specs below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.